bourbon, curb, curb, work, work. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. A quick reminder that in American English, when an R is followed by a consonant, you want to make sure that the R sound is strong. There are many ways to pronounce the R, but for me, the most common way is to raise the back of my tongue high. My tongue is high. And then the front of your tongue is also going to be high, right around here. The middle of your tongue will dip down slightly. The key is making sure that the R sound is held long enough. Person, person, born, born, earth, earth, part, part, yarn, yarn, dark, dark, burn, burn, hurt, hurt, worse, worse, bourbon, bourbon, curb, curb, work, work, word, word. Looking for some more practice on the R sound? Be sure to check out some of our other videos with the R. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video.